This is Matt Hoots. I'm at Green Prince, and I'm meeting with Michael Sutton with Tremco. He's going to talk to us a little bit about his product and what it is. It's a field membrane that you apply to the outside of the house, and what it does is it keeps the water out. So can you show us some of the samples and how it works and why your product is the one that builders should choose?
Thanks, Matt. Yes, basically this is very unique in the residential construction environment because it provides both moisture resistance and air infiltration resistance. And it's very different than a conventional house wrap systems in that the membrane is fully and permanently adhered directly to the OSB. So there's no chance of moisture getting behind it, actually even passing through it.
Does this come when you buy the OSB? Is it on there, or is this a field applied?
This is a field applied.
Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Field applied.
And I notice that you've got a seam here, so you can brush it on and spray it on, or how is it applied?
It can't be sprayed. Most people will brush it on because if you're in tight environments between between houses, that you don't want to have any airborne particles to coat trucks or,
exactly.
or the house next door. And this seam is actually a combination of the membrane itself and then a fabric. So it's actually laid down here in 3 layers. There's membrane, fabric embedded, and then membrane again. And that assures that you will be able to expand over any kind of OSB or plywood too. This is good on plywood as well. Any kind of seam, you can have racking or any kind of movement. It's going to give you continuous moisture and air infiltration resistance.
Okay, and the one big thing that everyone asks, what are some of the upfront costs compared to some of the traditional methods like house wrap, and how much longer can we expect this to last than house wrap, so we can talk about it from a durability point of view.
Okay. Well, there's no reason why this would ever break down. We've done accelerated chemical attack tests and other kinds of weatherization, and really we don't reach any point where this would break down. This technology is an offshoot of our traditional below-grade waterproofing system. Actually, I think I have a brochure here, which is called Tough and Dry. This product was introduced to the marketplace in 1983, so it's been on the market for 28 years. To be a waterproofing, you have to have a permeance of less than 1 by definition. So our challenge in recognizing there was an opportunity for moisture resistance above grade was to bring about a permeable product. And that's what this technology brings you. It gets you back to a permeating of 12, which will allow interior to exterior as well as vice versa types of moisture movement.
And who installs this? Is this a product that the builders buy and install themselves, or do they typically go to a waterproofing contractor for this?
We actually have trained installers. There is a technique here, and you do require some specialized equipment. So, with this system, we provide a 30-year performance warranty against through-the-wall leakage. And so many of our existing waterproofing contractors have gone to this, recognizing there's an opportunity to extend moisture control up to the roof, from footing up to the roof rafter.
Oh wow, that's an amazing product, and thanks for sharing this information with us. So what you're telling me a little bit about this product is not only is it a vapor barrier, but it can also act as an air barrier. How is that?
Well, it obviously will prevent, just by looking at it, prevents air infiltration. Actually, we've done third-party testing, and this product is 97% more effective in resisting air infiltration versus traditional house wrap types of methods. That testing was done by Pittsburgh Testing Labs. And that was at anywhere ranging between a 20-mile-per-hour wind up to a 50-mile-per-hour wind.
So does make sense for new construction and remodeling, or is this mainly a new construction product or remodeling?
Well, I mean, our primary focus is new construction, but if a existing home buyer was going to extend or removing their exterior sheathing, or cladding, I should say, coming back with this over top of whatever their particular sheathing was, I think it would be highly recommended at that point, because that would give you the energy efficiency, an advantage that you could do then that you couldn't do without removing, certainly, the cladding.
So it sounds like an older house. The advantage of this over traditional house wrap is not only the vapor barrier is very important, but also the fact that it provides that air barrier, because when the house was built, it probably wasn't built to the current energy code, and this can help make the house more energy efficient at the same time.
This will make this dramatically more energy efficient. The chances are likely that an older house would have fiberglass bats. When air passes through fiberglass bats, basically renders the R value nil.
Well, you're assuming it has insulation in the first place. we are in Georgia.
This is correct as well. But on there's a common term, of course, that's air changes per hour, ACH. Mm-hmm. This will achieve an ACH between 2.5 and 3.5 consistently. We did a house for Habitat for Humanity here in Atlanta area. It's actually up in Ackworth, and that achieved a 2.2 ACH.
Oh, wow.
That was this product with conventional bats.
So with the new energy code, this will actually help people be compliant with the new energy code a lot easier.
Absolutely. This will This will help you comply with the 2009 energy code.
I appreciate your time. This is very good information. It's a good product.
Thank you.